Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to reduce a 3ds Max file. So as you can see here, I'm just going to go ahead and use this as an example, and then I'm going to click on File. Now let's go ahead and create a save file and compare another save file if it makes a difference. Okay. So I'm going to click on Save As. I'm going to move it on my desktop. Then I'm going to go ahead and create a new folder. Compare. Okay. So I'm going to name it first one, uncompressed, just like so. Click on Save. Now go ahead and go to the top, click on Customize. Now Preferences. And here, go to Files, and then click on or tick on Compress and Save. Okay? And then click on OK. Now this one right here reduces the 3ds Max file without making any changes on your project. Now let's go ahead and click on Save or Save As. I'm going to save it to the same exact folder. Let's name this one Compressed. Okay, click on Save. Now let's view it. Compare. As you can see here, it is 1.8 MB, the first one, and this one is only 800 kilobytes. So if you want to save more, okay, more file size, so when you go ahead and make a copy of an object, or if you're planning to duplicate objects, use the instance option instead of copy. Let's say I'm going to copy it, paste this one. Just use an instance, again, not copy. All right. Now another option, if you're using V-Ray or Corona, make sure that you use proxies. And if you don't know how to set up proxy, we have a separate video for that. You can go ahead and check it out on the channel. That is how you reduce the 3ds Max file size. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.